Alright guys, everybody having a good day I hope. There's our progressives on Dragon Link Ghengis Khan. This is Ricky's favorite. Would you say this is your favorite?
I still like Ghengis, even though it's the hardest one.
Your bromance has not been going well. We got $100 in. We've been actually doing well starting with $100. So we're gonna do here, get our volume up. Look at those. Oh, he was on a $5 bet. We need 6 of those fireballs. Or we need that. Oh, he's wild. Well, I don't see Ghengis on the horse again. I saw it one time.
Big fella.
We're doing about 5 spins a piece here. We're at Aria today. Okay, we need 3 of him. Okay. How much was it? I didn't see it.
Huh?
How much was it? I didn't see it.
$8.
Not seeing a lot on 2 cents. Come on, Ghengis. We're being a little more conservative on Ghengis today. Ooh, that's a bunch. Alright. Not as much as I thought it might be.
Yeah, you were excited there for a minute.
I
I had to double check my screen.
Let's go to $5. Okay. Come on, Ghengis. I'll take 6 just like that.
Not bad.
Come on, fireballs.
I will tell you, we have a lack of fireballs for sure.
Yeah. Oh, 2. Oh, come on. I'll stay here.
I'm not showing a whole heck of a lot, I'll tell you that.
All right, right here, babe. This is your bet. You do it. Can we win with $100 on Ghengis?
Well, we always know Ghengis.
Ghengis
You're
is
playing
tough.
with your life when you play $100 at Ghengis.
Okay. That might be our biggest line hit.
It's a different kind of battle, man.
It is. It's exhausting. One more. Oh. Okay. Oh, now that's our best line hit. One. We got it. Yay. Okay. I need like all multipliers.
Yes. And a minor.
And a major.
With 5 friends.
Come on. only sweating for it. Last one. Oh, major. Oh. And we're still in the bonus. Do it again. Last one. Come on, multipliers all the way. All right, we got him.
Yeah, there you go. Multiplier time.
Yeah.
Ooh, finally.
Pots of gold.
Finally.
That's a lot.
Enjoy it for a minute here. What do you think it is?
Well, it says 1,600. What is 1,600 times 5? It's about 75 bucks, a little over 75 bucks.
There you go.
Wow.
All right, very nice.
There's my backup. All right.
Sweet.
That was a good bonus. Right here.
Oh, come on.
One more.
One more.
One. Oh, one more.
Yes.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Maybe we can double our money.
Let's do it. We're looking for the double. The daily double.
That's a good one.
Where is it?
Uh-oh, come on. Don't be a stinker.
Where's anything?
Nothing.
Wow. We can't get a goose egg?
Yep. Come on. Well,
Holy mackerel. $7.
yeah. Okay.
I am stunned and overwhelmed.
Right here. Okay. That was a bummer letdown.
They dropped us on our head.
Do that. Oh my gosh. One more.
Come on.
One. Oh, yeah. A little bit. How about the fireballs in the wild, in the natural? We got it in the bonus.
No. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Drop fireballs.
All right. So it's either cash out even or cash out ahead, babe. You're fixing to do it right here. Oh, I saw it go by. All right. cashing out even. Alright, I can do $1. What you think, babe? Yeah, let's cash out even. So that was a good run. Alright guys, today we are on Lightning Dollar Link, Corrida de Toros. There's our progressives up there. Hello, bull, with your red eyes. We got $200 in. See what we can do, babe?
Uh-huh.
I said, let's see what we can do. I'm gonna start on 2 cent. I'm gonna start on that. I'm gonna go back and forth here. All right. We need 6 of those capes, 3 of the bulls. We're at Aria. We have not had any luck today. And I mean like no luck. So it is time. We are due. One more. All right, babe.
Oh, come on.
Bring me home a bonus. Right here. Oh, isn't that pretty? Mine are so pretty.
It would be even pretty if we were to hit it.
It would. Hope everybody's having a good day. Y'all give us a thumbs up for luck. Give us a subscribe if you're enjoying our content. We play a lot of Lightning Dollar Link, Dragon Link. But Dragon Link's been mean lately. Tickets to the bull run or the bullfight. 1, I got it. Nice. Okay. Come on, bull guides out there.
Come on, bully.
All right. That's a good one. Good way to start. Very nice. Free sugar. Cakes, come on. More. Come on, 2. Oh. It didn't line up. Free sugar.
Yes.
Yeah, there we go.
Yes.
Okay. We'll get 3 more.
We need the cakes. Not then, though.
Cakes. All right, $90. I'll do a backup.
Best one we've had in a minute.
Yeah. Okay. 1 more. All right, babe. I brought us the first bonus.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can get us another one here. Get us those capes. Ah, 2. 3.
Come on, you
You're a blocker. Come on, bull. I'll just do a couple. Bulls.
Come on, come on.
Okay. my bet back. One more.
Do it, do it.
Two.
Oh, wow.
All right, since I did $5 ones, I'll let you go early. Come on, bull, bull. Well, we lost the money we won. Right here, win it back.
Tone. That has a familiar tone, huh?
Yeah. 3.
Are you kidding?
Nope, it's not kidding. Got the 9s. Yeah.
Okay.
Three.
Oh, you sorry dog. Come on.
Do it.
Come on, come on, come on.
Right there at the
Right
bottom.
there.
I'm going back here. I know, but I saw a little bit. Look at that.
Man, that would have been nice.
You got this, babe.
Huh?
You got this.
I'll tell you, ain't a lack of effort there.
I know it.
We are trying our guts out.
It's not easy bringing a win every day. Wow. One bonus. Okay, $10.50. One.
Oh, just missed it.
Okay. You want to go somewhere else on it?
You know where I'm going.
All right, you do it.
capes.
Uh-huh. Where's the bulls? Oh, one. You mean bull.
Babe, that's not hurt your feelings.
Yeah. Well, guys, that was Lightning Dollar Link. 200 in, 0 out. Let's move on, see what else we can find. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, we got a 250 mini here on the bull. So we decided to keep playing, and this is what always happens. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go, bull. One more. One more. One more. Oh, come on. A lot of spaces. Save it. All right. Thanks for the 250. The mini. 310. Yay! We got all of our money back, babe. Nice. Alright, guys, let's smash it. Very nice. $494.05. And this time we are cashing out. Thanks for watching. We're feeling lucky. Have a good one.